Hello everyone, how you doing? If you're wondering why I'm dressed up, I had a job interview today. I have 2 tomorrow, and I have more coming up. One on Zoom, and then there's another one coming up too. I'm gonna keep on trucking until I get a job. Oh Lord, it's just been crazy. For like a night snack, I have Burger King nuggets. My niece bought them for me. She didn't buy me a whole meal because I really can't eat very late at night because I get very bad stomach issues and I sometimes tend to aspirate at night. So anyways, here's one for you. Take a bite. How are you? How's it going? Trucking along, I hope. Being your fabulous self. My kitty, she's so cute. She hopped up on my feet rest. So, I still have to take my makeup off. See, I didn't wear the purple today on my eyes. I added it later when I got home. I just wore very neutral brown and actually no lipstick. Does it look like I'm wearing lipstick? I know, I kind of didn't wear it when I went to my job interview. But when I got home, I'm like, you know what? I'll put some lipstick on or lip gloss. I just got this recently because I started itching like when I got home. So much dust in my room, so much dust everywhere. It got all over me and I'm just like, achoo, achoo, achoo. I made a short video on the shorts. Achoo, 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 me sneezing. If you're interested, run off by it. Anyways, I wear very minimal makeup, not a whole lot because, you know, I'm only trying to impress the people I'm trying to work for, nobody else. But yeah, Precious is looking at me like, ooh, chicken nuggets. Oh, she has a string. Also need to lose some weight, so really, it's okay if she does. It's okay if she doesn't give me anything. So. Try and lose this weight. Try. Girl. My nose is all stuffy. Can't breathe. I did have dinner earlier. I had steak and eggs. All I really had today was out for lunch, a late lunch, because I couldn't eat before my job interview or else my stomach, because I have stomach issues. Let's just say that. I've got issues, but you got them too. Okay, anyways. Got stomach issues. So, what am I gonna say? And so I didn't want to eat anything before my job interview or else there was going to be no job interview because I would have been stuck at home. And it was at IHOP as a hostess. But they didn't even have me down. Like, I went onto the website, went on Indeed, then went onto a website, picked a time, and day and time, and they still didn't have me down. That was weird. Run by some people that were not very well organized. Not sure if I want to work for that IHOP. I'm not sure. It's the only IHOP around here. Last one. What about... Oh, my nose. I can't breathe. My nose. Anyways. Oh. Oh, I need to get some water. I don't have any water. We don't have any pop. That's okay. I'm not really supposed to drink dark pop. Or pop period is not really good for me and my kidneys anyways. I only have one kidney left. After finding out I'm pre-diabetic, I have one kidney. And yeah. I'm not supposed to be really eating a whole lot of fast food. I'm trying to cook more at home and eat more at home. That reminds me, I really have to use up my milk. I have almond milk that I need to use up before it goes bad. Can't really trust anything anymore these days in the grocery store. Really can't. Whew. Always like my right side better. What do you think? Oh, I'm about to sneeze. You liked that, didn't you? Oh my gosh. Oh my Lord Jesus. Oh my God. Oh my God. My girl is having the zoomies. It's okay. I'm glad she's having the zoomies. She needs to get it out. So, oh God, have mercy on me. Oh my Lord. One more time. And one more time. Oh my gosh. I think it's over. Wait. I'm not sure. Hold on. I think it's over now. Oh my God. I wish my body would make up its mind. Are you done yet? Am I done? Am I done sneezing? Maybe. No. Hold on. One more. One more. For all you sneezing fans. You sneezing freaks. One more. Hold on. I think I got one more in me. Hold on. Almost. Maybe. Hold on. Hold on. Hold the phone. Hold the phone. Nothing, that's all. Is that a tissue? Yes, it is. Oh, well, it's a napkin, but close enough. Oh my God, that felt good. Get all that out. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. It's getting cold in here, so keep on all your clothes. Seriously, keep on all your clothes. I don't want to know what you look like naked. By the size of my arm, you can tell what I look like naked. If you're thinking what I'm thinking, fat. Yeah. Oh my God. Okay, anyways. Sorry to, like, you know, burst your bubble. I didn't have a sneeze. I'm glad I don't have a fart because, ugh, that would be embarrassing. That's embarrassing enough is a sneezing. I don't need to be a farting. Even though that is content. So, okay. Give me kisses. Love you. All right. Bye.